If you're flying abroad soon and stressing about what to pack, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down my top packing tips for international flights. Whether you're heading to Europe, Asia, or just hopping on a budget airline, these packing hacks will save you money, protect your stuff, and make your trip smoother. Tip 1. Check your airline's baggage rules. Always check your airline's size and weight restrictions. They all have their own rules of the game. US versus European airlines, totally different sizes for backpacks, handbags, and carry-ons. Measure your bag, weigh it, and double-check the website. Because nothing kills vacation vibes faster than paying $100 at the gate for an oversized carry-on. That's money you could be spending on pizza and gelato instead. Tip 2. Bring a portable luggage scale. This is my favorite little gadget and one of the best airline baggage hacks out there. A portable luggage scale lets you weigh your suitcase before you even leave home or at your hotel before flying back home. Budget airlines like Ryanair love catching you with overweight bags at the gate. And if you shop a lot while traveling, your bag will definitely get heavier on the way home. Weigh it early, save yourself the drama. And if you're a little over, just layer up. Airport fashion runway, here you come. Tip 3. Protect your suitcase. Checked bags go through battle. Rain, dirt, conveyor belts, you name it. A luggage cover keeps your suitcase cleaner and protected. And bonus, it makes spotting your bag at the carousel way easier. Amazon has tons of them and I linked the one I use below. But you can choose one that matches your style. You can be practical and stylish at the same time. Tip 4. Use TSA-approved lugs. Here is another must-know international travel packing tip. Only use TSA-approved lugs. They have a little red diamond logo, which means airport security can open them without destroying your zipper if they need to check inside. It's about keeping your stuff safe and avoiding the heartbreak of a broken bag. Tip 5. Track your luggage with AirTags. If you only take one thing away from this video, it's this. Use a luggage tracker. AirTags, tiles, whatever works for you. It's one of those modern travel hacks that gives you instant peace of mind. If your airline loses your bag, you'll know exactly where it is. And some airlines even let you share the location now. Tip 6. Use packing cubes. If you haven't tried packing cubes yet, prepare for your life to change. These little things keep your clothes organized, save space, and stop your suitcase from turning into a messy pile. I use one for shirts, one for pants, one for outerwear, and one for underwear. It's like having little drawers inside your suitcase. Tip 7. Ziplock your liquids. Airplane pressure equals exploding shampoo bottles. Even if you twist them tight, liquids can still leak. So always double bag your liquids in Ziplocs before putting them in your toiletry bag. Trust me, you don't want to open your suitcase in Paris and find your clothes drenched in conditioner. It's not a chic look. Tip 8. Cover your shoes. Let's be real. Shoes are gross. They've touched streets, subways, bathrooms. You don't want that rubbing on your clothes. The fix? Cheap shoe covers or even shower caps over the soles. It's such a small thing, but it's one of those packing hacks you'll thank yourself for later. Tip 9. Bring a reusable bag. This is a sneaky little lifesaver. In a lot of countries, especially across Europe, grocery stores don't give you free bags. You'll end up paying every time. A reusable bag barely takes up space, but it's handy for laundry, groceries, souvenirs, or even as a beach bag. It's one of those "why didn't I pack this sooner" items. Tip 10. Check the TSA app and country rules. The TSA app lets you type in almost anything, like razor or protein powder, and it'll tell you if it is allowed in your carry-on or checked bag. And always check your destination's rules too. Last thing you need is explaining to customs why you're traveling with enough meds to open your own pharmacy. And there you have it, my 10 best packing tips for international flights. From avoiding baggage fees to keeping your clothes clean and organized. These tips will make your next trip much easier. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up to support us and subscribe for more travel tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to packing tip? Thanks for watching, ciao for now, and happy packing!